So if you have the boundaries first, you save yourself that trouble, a lot of trouble actually. So I'm doing the boundaries, boom, boom, just two lines, and then I'm doing the axis, and then I'm doing the middle. All right, pay attention, everybody here. All right, the first thing we do when we do a drawing, the boundaries. That way, your head doesn't get chopped off from the paper or your feet or your arm. All right, so we want to know where the boundaries are. That's a very simple exercise, and it saves you a lot of time and energy, and it's great for composition. Okay, then we do the axis, boom. Then we do the middle. All right, let me see the reference. So this guy is leaning towards something. So because his weight is distributed between his leg and the arm, the head is not quite where it should be if he wasn't leaning on something. All right. So those are things that are very important to notice. So in a normal situation, his head would be right on top of his feet. Now his head is somewhere in between. So the hips is tilted a little bit, and the hip is in the middle. Your privates are in the middle. All right. And then the rib cage is straight. Rib cage is straight. And then the head is looking down. More or less. And that's essentially what this is, okay? And then this leg comes straight here. Actually, part of the head is, then we have the feet changing a little bit of the direction, a little bit, but not very much. Anyway, I don't need too much detail now. And then we have the other leg coming here and then changes direction. Then the feet here changes direction. Very simple. Important thing is to see how things are simple, not how they're complicated, okay? So we have another arm here. The pelvic bone, the rib cage is pretty much straight. This arm comes here in this direction, boom, and then it changes direction, boom, and then the hand is here. But since the arm is forward, coming forward, change direction forward, you can barely see the length of the arm. It's very short, this part. So we have a hand here. All right, and then we have another arm coming from here. And then changes direction here. It changes direction at the end of the rib cage, more or less. Whatever. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and that's pretty much it. The thing where he's leaning is just two lines, so no big deal. All right, so we're gonna do 3 of these, 2 minutes each. Okay, 2 minutes each. We're going to do 3 of these. All right, so I'm going to start putting the meat on the drawing. So this leg, I'm going to find the knees around here. I'm going to make a line here for the leg. Boom. All right, then this keeps going in a little bit. If it is. And then we have the calf here. And we have the other side of the calf here. Right? We can see through here. And then here is the feet. Here's the ankle, boom. More or less. And then we have this leg here, boom. If we have the structure, everything's going to fall in the right place, more or less. Now here, we just put things together. There's a change of direction here. There's this muscle here. Just put in meat, right? Right? I'm going to get rid of all this. And there's a line that comes here, more or less. There's a muscle here. There is this band here covering the willy. All right, and that's pretty much the idea. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. Simple. Keep it simple. When you keep things simple, everything is going to fall into the right place. All right. So, this is something. Okay, on your mark, set, go.